Hey guys, we need to do the backside, which is part 2 of this review. I need to go back 2 pages though, because I found my right answer. This right here is absolutely rational. I can prove it to you tomorrow. There will not be something weird like that on the test, I promise. Okay, let's continue. So, backside. Are the following expressions equivalent? Explain. So, if I simplify this, I know I can divide these two things. So I'm going to get 28 divided by 7 is 4. The n and the n cancel out, so I'm left with 24, or I'm left with 4m. Well, yeah, they are equivalent if I simplify. That's me explaining. Next is the ordered pair, -8, -7. Again, this is x, this is y. A solution to the equation 3x plus 10 equals 2y. Show your work. So I'm going to plug and chug. So 3 times -8, because this is x and this is x, plus 10 equals 2, and then plug in y, -7. This is y right here, and this is y right here. So now I just solve following order of operations. So 3 times -8 is -24 plus 10 equals, this is -14. -24 plus 10. If I'm -$24 in my lunch account and I bring a check for $10, I still have $14 to go. So these are absolutely equivalent, so we say yes, it is a solution. Okay. Is the ordered pair 5, 0 a solution to the equation? Same song and dance, friends. So 5 times x, no, it's not 5, it's 4. 4 times 5, there we go. 4 times 5, which is x, plus 20 equals 12 times y, which is 0. So 4 times 5 is, I can't see that green. You're right, Desiree, I can't see it. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 20 equals 12 times 0 is nothing. Well, 40 is not equivalent to 0, so this is not a solution. There we go. Okay. Order the numbers, blah, 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 from least to greatest. Change to decimals, and then order them. Whoops, that was weird. That was extra weird. Change to decimals. Okay, so 3/4 is 0.75. This is -1.75. This is -1.25, and this is -0.25. Now, hopefully you remember, the larger the numeric number that's negative, the actual smaller it is. So my smallest number is going to be this one. So I will highlight it because I know it's going to be gone. Nope. -1 3/4. Next smallest is this one, -5/4. Next smallest is -1/4. And then obviously the biggest one is the only positive number we have. Oops, I can't write that. I have to write it this way. Have to write it in original form, so that would be 3/4. So that would be my answer. Evaluate each expression for A equals -1 and B equals 5. Plug and chug. Our favorite thing to do. And still follow order of operations. So here we're going to have 5 times A, which is -1, minus 7. Multiplication comes before addition and subtraction, so I have -5 minus 7. This is the same thing as -5 plus -7, -12. Number 24, -2 times B, which is 5, minus 3 times A, which is -1. Let's hope I'm getting all these right. I am. Okay. This is -10 minus, so I've already brought my minus down, so now I'm doing this, -3. This becomes plus positive. So -10 plus 3 is -7. And the last one, AB squared, so I'm going to have -1 times 5 squared. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5 squared should be 25. Boom. Almost done. Okay, simplify each expression. We're going to combine like terms. We're going to use distributive property and so on. So here, these are like terms because they have all the same variables and the same exponents. So 9xy squared minus 11xy squared is negative 2xy squared. Here, we're going to have to follow order of operations. So 15 minus negative 3 minus 2 squared is 4. Now I can just follow order of operations again. So add, subtract as we get to it left to right. So 15 minus negative 3 turns into plus positive. 15 plus 3 is 18 minus 4. 18 minus 4 is 14. And last but not least, you need to distribute 1/4 negative to everything inside here. So you're going to have negative 1/4 times negative 4 over 1. All I did was put this over 1 so that it was a fraction and I could multiply it. And then plus negative 1/4 times 2p over 1. Woo, that's a lot of stuff. Let me see if I can select the whole thing. Nope, it won't let me. Okay, so we're going to multiply straight across. So we're going to have positive 4 over 4, which is the same as 1, plus negative 2p over 4, and simplify this down. 4 over 4 is 1, plus negative 1/2 p. Or you could have this, 1 minus 1/2 p. Oh, I'm probably writing on my head. Oh, here, let me see if I can bring all this stuff over. These are the answers. Whoops. This is for this. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good luck. Sleep tight, drink water, eat breakfast. You're gonna bomb it. No, you're not. You're gonna bomb it. You're gonna be the bomb. You're going to ace it. Okay, goodbye.